7 dog days we let pass, naming queens in Glen McNass. All the rare and royal names wormy sheepskin yet retains. Etten, Helen, Maeve and Fand, golden Deirdre's tender hand. Bert the Bigfoot sung by Vion, Cassandra Ronsard found in Leon. Queens of Sheba, Meath and Connaught, coiffed with crown or gaudy bonnet. Queens whose finger once did stir men. Queens were eaten of fleas and vermin. Queens men drew like Mona Lisa, or slew with drugs in Rome and Pisa. We named Lucrezia Crivelli, and Titian's lady with amber belly. Queens acquainted in learned sin, Jane of Jewry's slender shin. Queens who cut the bogs at Glanna, Judith of Scripture and Gloriana. Queens who wasted the East by proxy, or drove the ass cart, the tinker's doxy. Yet these are rotten, I ask their pardon, and weave the sun on rock and garden. These are rotten, so you're the queen of all are living, or have been.